What are your 2 life lessons you want to recommend? We have a question from one of our YouTube subscribers, and the lesson was, Mark, can you recommend 2 life lessons you have experienced that change your lifestyle or the way you live? Now, for me, I have 2. The first one is put God first. Because whatever you do in life, the things that I've accomplished, the little success that I have, my family, my wife, my loved ones, my friends, my business, those things would not be possible without God. That's why for me, I always put God first thing in the morning. Because whatever little success that I have, it's all because of His doing. Some people would say, you know what, I'm already successful, I don't need God. But on my end, just imagine if you were closer or you were giving your gratitude to God, you could have had more blessings. So on my end, the first thing is put God first. That's the first one. The second thing, based on my life experience in terms of how it really changed my life, is the second thing is I always think life is too short. That's right. Life is too short because you will never know what will happen tomorrow. That's why on my end, I make sure that I always find time for my wife, for my family, especially my mom, dad who's in Iloilo, my brother who's in Las Vegas, my sister who's in Canada. We always find time in the morning to interact via Duo, via Zoom, or even Messenger. Because on our end, we want to maximize the day. Because you could be healthy now, but tomorrow, don't know if you're going to be sick. So that's why on my end, I always think that life is too short. Because at times people would say, I'll just talk to them tomorrow, next month, because I still have next couple of years. But you'll never know what happened. You'll never know what will happen next. So I always maximize the day, spending time with all of them, my family, my wife, my loved ones. Maximize my work, because end of the day, guys, you're not so sure what will happen next. That's why if you achieve or if you do those kind of stuff, it will eliminate the regrets. Meaning to say, all those pride and haughtiness, remove all of them. Because end of the day, you don't want to say sorry after, let's say, a year or a month or 2 that something happened to both parties, and that is where regret sinks in. So on my end, always think that life is too short so that you'll be able to maximize your day like what I do every day. So if you have the same comment, experience, click on the message or click on the comments below. Then we'll see you soon. Be great.